All right, guys. So here it is, part 8, the final part. We're removing the spinners. 3 screws, 3 Phillips head on each. 1, 2, 3. Same as the wheels, left is right, right is left. The good thing about these is, whoops, if I can get the screw. These ones, if you're looking for parts, they're cheap. You can buy them in 2s or you can buy them in singles, and they're not the same. These tabs will tell you which one you need. Reference the pictures, you'll know exactly what you need, guys. And these are going to be the same for almost all robots. Just a heads up. The only ones that are going to be different are the 1000 series and the 700 series. The 725, 750, 761, 850s, 851s, 861s are all going to have these motors. So just a heads up. And these little clips right here are on the motors. Do not remove those. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions about this robot, well, I wouldn't say this one in particular because it's going in the trash. But if you have any questions about robot repairs, any questions about any other kind of robots that you want me to cover, please, please, please comment below, like this video, and subscribe. I promise I will get one of those robots, and I will make a video on how to tear it down and the issues that the robot could have.